Hello everyone, myself Sumajit Maji. My roll number is 20EC180. For this week DIY, I have created this temperature indicator device. The working of this device is such that when this switch will be on, this temperature sensor will sense the temperature and accordingly rotates the servo pin, and this servo pin will be mounted in such a board so that we can find the temperature easily. So for this I have firstly imported this Arduino Uno, then this breadboard, then I have joined this 5-volt power supply and the ground pin with this breadboard. So for the switch I have joined the power pin, the ground pin, and this pin with this digital input, and this servo motor. For the servo motor I have joined the power pin, ground pin, and this signal pin with this digital pulse width modulation pin. Then comes this temperature sensor. This temperature sensor is TMP36. This sensor sends from temperature minus 50 degree to 125 degree centigrade. So this temperature sensor has input from analog input F5. Now let's code. Firstly, I have created a variable in integer pin, temperature pin at A5, servo pin at 3, then servo, my servo, and attach the servo with servo pin 3, then serial dot begin 9600. After that my servo dot write 0 degree. In loop I have the condition is when this switch at input 2 will be on, then this code will be performed, and when it will off, this code will be performed. I have created this integer sensor input, which is the analog reading of temperature pin. Then to convert this reading into real-time temperature, I have used this code. Firstly, the sensor input I will divide by 1024. Then to convert it voltage, I will multiply with 5, then subtract the offset, and after that again convert into degrees. Then I will convert this temperature to rotate the servo into from 0 to 50 degree centigrade into map 0 to 180 degrees. Then I will print the temperature in the serial monitor. At last I will rotate the servo to the position. Let's simulate. The switch is off. When the switch will be on, it will rotate like the temperature is. Thank you.